We're inside a jet engine factory. This machine can't tolerate mistakes. One tiny flaw can cost lives.
B47, serial LN129.
Confirmed. Installing now.
Torque reading is stable. Vibration within tolerance. Proceed.
The seam integrity on Sector 4 looks flawless.
Confirmed. The automated system is holding tolerances perfectly.
Alignment complete. All parameters nominal.
Excellent work.
Mounts aligned. Locking sequence engaged.
Confirmed. Clearance is nominal.
Ballistic mouth space beyond. This precision standing event in.
Ignition sequence armed. Lights are green.
Fuel valves confirmed closed. Final status check complete.
We have a consistent pattern here. Yep.
Except for this spike at 60 hertz. I've annotated the timeline.
No abnormal wear patterns visible on the seal.
Confirmed. The casing looks pristine as well.
The composition matches the reference data exactly.
Yes, the grain structure confirms it. We should focus on the fatigue lines now.
We are approaching the upper limit on vibration.
R4 data stream looks good.
And we have stabilization. Thresholds met across the board.
Verify the seal on line 4.
Confirmed. Serial matches the manifest.
Okay, routing documents match the container labels. Shock indicators are green. This one is cleared for transport.
Got it.
Bring it left 5 degrees. Watch the clearance on the pylon.
Steady left. Approaching alignment.
Slow lift, hold it steady on the alignment. We are clear for final approach.
Fuel line coupling secure, position 4.
Confirmed. Torque applied.
Remove red protective cover, intake 1.
Cover removed.
Engine parameters look good from here. Heat signature intensifying.
Roger, we have a green light for the spool up test. Clear to proceed.
Flaps check complete, clear on the left.
Confirmed clear on the right, removing GPU.